Yes, thank you. It's good to be with you. Global warming litigation is coming to a courtroom near you, sooner rather than later, I believe. And state law theories are likely to be front and center. Exxon has long been the ringleader of a conspiracy to put its profits ahead of the well-being of the entire planet. And this has not gone unnoticed. Exxon has, for many years, and other companies have too, tried to convince the American public that it was safe to buy their products, when in fact, internally, they knew that it was not safe to buy their products. And that is a form, in my view, of consumer fraud. It's not safe to use Exxon's products. At the core of Exxon's business are fossil fuels, which are based on carbon, which cause global warming. And the truth is that we must reduce the use of those products dramatically and quickly. It will happen again, and I think it will occur in a monetary damages context, because global warming is going faster, unfortunately, than scientists were projecting just a few short years ago. Damages and injuries are piling up. Heat waves, melting snowpack, loss of glaciers. These are things with severe economic consequences and harms to human health and well-being, and people will want compensation, and states of various sorts will want compensation for the harms. We also have the benefit of a peer-reviewed, published article by Richard Heede, H-E-E-D-E, who has demonstrated how much of the carbon dioxide and methane from the combustion of fossil fuels in the atmosphere is attributable to Exxon and Chevron and other particular companies going back to the 1800s. And so there is an ability to attribute portions of harm to specific companies now based on peer-reviewed literature. Various defenses have now been overcome, including standing. And we're going to get closer and closer and closer. And you can't do to the planet what these companies have done, and what Exxon in particular is the ringleader have done, with the kind of foreknowledge they had, and think you're going to get away with it in America, because it ain't going to happen. Tort cases are out there waiting in the wings, and every time there's a heat wave that kills people, or every time a state is running out of water, the question comes to the fore again, and it's really only a matter of time before those cases are filed.